So we got some new parts for this rifle build. We got a Radian Raptor LT charging handle. Pretty nice, ambidextrous. Brownells. We got it for Brownells. We pop that in. And this is called the Ultradyne Nighthawk High Performance Flash Hider. It's kind of nice. So let's pop that in. We'll get these. Make sure the weapon's clear, of course. It's all clear. Little magazine. Pop these pins up. There's the no-spec charging handle. Nothing to see, it just pretty much pot metal. Take this one out. Pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. Patricia had always been a saver, while Ted was more of a spender. In fact, by the time Patricia was 16, she set enough money aside to buy her first car. And by the time she was 23, she had enough in the bank for a down payment on the house. Ted, on the other hand, loved all the extras that money could buy. Outfitting his late model Jeep Cherokee with all the options. Now he had his eye on a new motorcycle. For Ted, money and there that is. I don't know if you can see it, if it's showing up or not, but it's a lot better, a lot better. Yeah, a lot easier to pull. I love doing this. I love kind of getting part at a time and just kind of building it up and making it yours. I mean, it's a really cool hobby. I can see how people get addicted to this. Just making it yours. You know, I don't know if it adds value to a rifle. I don't even know how they evaluate a rifle that's homemade. But I'd like to get a different dust cover, maybe something with some laser engraving on it. But yeah, it went in pretty easy, pretty nice. I still have not had a chance to fire this yet, so hopefully I'll get to do that this weekend. I'm not going to bore you by showing you how the flash hider goes on. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. God bless.